Yo everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this video of today we're gonna have a closer look on this new Brazil home jersey of 2023-2024. It's the concept jersey, the fan version, Nike fan version. I bought this one from Kkgoold.com. Check the link in the description down below to find out who the seller is. This one is not customized with any name or number, just a plain jersey. Before we have a closer look at this one, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have way more cool things on the way, so don't miss it out. So now, let's have a closer look. So that's this new Brazilian home jersey. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I'm not a big fan of yellow jerseys, as most of you already know. However, I think this one is pretty cool. I like the subtle palm leaf graphic design in the jersey. I think that makes the jersey better. Just not a plain yellow design, but with a graphic of palm leaves, it's better. In the next clip I'll show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, see you next time.